Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Standing on a 2024 Sailfish 226 dual console. New model from Sailfish, been out for a couple months now. Very excited about this boat. Gets you in a dual console in that 22-foot range. Standing in the cockpit, as you can see, I've been walking around. Quite a large cockpit for this boat. Nice seat here. Great storage under here. And then this seat does collapse. You get a full bench. This backrest comes out on this starboard side seat. More storage under here. Before I leave the aft flip down seat. So you got a ton of seat space and quite a bit of fishing or activity space. My ski tow bar pulls up. Collapses when you don't need it. 200 Yamaha on this boat, light. Nice size live well for this boat. Got some storage back in the port transom area. Freshwater wash as you get on the boat. Now up here on the port side, we do have a head on this size boat, which is great. And our helm here, got a Garmin, your Yamaha display, Fusion stereo. Nice flip down armrest, captain's seat, very nice, thigh rise bolster. This will close off to reduce some of your wind here on the windshield on those colder days. It is actually February here. Just took it for a little spin. Nice U-shaped seating up in the bow. Great place to sit out while you're running or relaxing. Storage under these seats, so you have the canvas stowed there for now. And a nice anchor locker up here, dedicated for your anchor. Pop-up cleats around. Give you a shot and you can see the bimini top. We got that collapsed right now, but this boat is a bimini top. Comes out to about here. Get you under the shade in those hot summer days. Again, guys, this is Lars Pearson, MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Give us a call, 609-207-3325. Thanks.